Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to copy files on a Mac. I'm going to show you a few ways on how to copy files on your Mac. I have two folders here. Folder 1 has a few files and folder 2 is empty. We're going to copy these files into folder 2. First way is you want to first click on one file and then press Command A to highlight everything. You then want to right click. If you don't have a right click on your mouse, you can hit Control click. And then we're going to choose Copy 7 items. And then in the destination window, just right click and paste. Again, if you don't have the right click, just hit Control and then the mouse button to bring up the menu. Another method is by using the command buttons. So now highlight one and hit Command A to select everything. And then you want to hit Command C to copy. Click on your destination folder and hit Command V. And that will paste everything. So again, that was Command A to select everything, Command C to copy, and Command V to paste. You also have the options on your edit bar here. You can click edit, select all, edit, copy, and then edit, paste. You see the command option here, the Command C, Command V, and the Command A. Now I'm going to show you how to copy only certain items if you don't want to highlight everything. So you just want to click on one item and then hold down the Control button and then click another file that you want copied. So if you have a list and you don't want to select everything, you can just hit the Control button and then click on the specific files. And then you just use any method. Right click, copy, and paste. There you have it. Just a few simple ways on how to copy files. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.